guys, it's me Skratchy
and me Amelie, and today I'm doing a collab with
Skratchy,
and she's doing a collab with me.
Today we are going to be doing
a double
slime video.
And it's double video because if you want to go and check out from my point of view, go over to my channel, Amelie Jayne, and if you want to check out her point of view, go on skratchy367.
How do you know my numbers?
Because I'm smart.
Stalker.
So as she said, yeah, we're doing a slime video. So we're going to do...
This is how to fix your slime, and we are going to be playing with our slime.
Correct.
Or her slime.
So, what you want to do first is, as you can see, my slime's pretty nice. And if you're wondering...
I'm making shapes. I'll be doing the play with it. She'll be doing the fixing slime.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, I have the neon slime.
You can't even see my slime.
You can't even see me. So I have the neon slime, and Ashley has the unicorn poop in yellow, and I have it in pink, as you can see.
I'm making some shapes,
and she's just playing with it. And then you'll be able to hear these.
So I've made a ball, as you can see.
Okay, so
Not real.
So my slime went all like this earlier, and I was like, what do I do with it? Because so I'm going to show you how to fix it.
If you want it to be much better, put it in your hand and wiggle it like jelly. Wiggle, wiggle.
And guys, also, if you can't hear what Ashley's saying because you're on my channel, you can't hear what I'm saying because I'm on Ash, then go over to our channels and you'll be able to hear more in depth. But sorry for the music in the background if you can hear it.
Not very nice music.
No, it's really not, is it? So,
you go wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
The ways you
wiggle.
can crunch
Oh, I dropped it.
is like
1 second, please.
snapping it and making it really slushy like that. And then some of it starts sticking to the table.
Oh, I got some pink on me.
So if it does start sticking to the table, I recommend
using
a place. Alright. So as you can see,
you
very
see how it
jiggly.
flies?
Look how jiggly this is. So
It's getting splattered.
Look.
And it's going back.
It's really jiggly. Anyway, so it's really gross and crunchy as well. So
Mine's gone crunchy. What do I do?
what do you do?
Mine's gone crunchy.
You get to your container. That's yours because I was listening. You put your slime inside.
That's got pink in it.
Whatever, Ashley. You put the lid on.
Put the lid on.
And I like to play the game called the shaker.
You're not even in my video.
So what you do is you
Kicking
roll it. You just keep on rolling them. So I'm going to roll mine off
Ooh,
the
it's
table.
quite fun. What if your box is not a circle?
I rolled mine off the table.
What's this?
Shake it. We both knocked it off the table.
Oh my god.
Just leave it, Ash. So we're still rolling them. Ashley's has stopped.
My video stopped.
So I think I should just...
What is wrong with you? Ooh, tissue. Ugh.
Alright, so I've just
I'm just
been
gonna play with
shaking them. And now, Ashley, let's see if it works.
My video stopped halfway through it because I don't know. I doesn't have any storage. So, this is for the end of my video. Please subscribe to me and comment what you want me to do in my next video. Thank you. Bye.
So I'm still doing the video. Okay.
I'll go back exploring.
Let's take mine out. Look, see, that's better now.
Ooh, that's actually quite nice.
We're going to swap slimes after.
No, we're not.
Yeah. Look at this, guys.
No. Let me do it. Put it down.
It's 9:25. Do you want to go and get dressed just so that you're ready? Yeah?
Yep.
So that is how you fix your slime.
Oops. If you're wondering where I'm going motocross. I'll do a video on my channel about me doing motocross. Maybe today, maybe not. Probably
But then
not
there's
today.
also another way that I'm going to estimate and come back to you guys now. So I'm going to put one of my
Oh god, it's shiny.
I'm going to put one of my slimes
Wish me good luck.
into the pot. And put it in the fridge. Cool. Do an experiment. Excuse me.
Make sure that ash is ready. I wouldn't.
There'll be a video later about what happened to my slime because I put it in the fridge. So, yeah, see you guys next time. Peace.